Hello students, my name is Bobby Varghese and today I will teach you chapter 4 of class 10th, that is carbon and its compound. Students, carbon is the most unique element found in the nature and it is the versatile element found in nature. Do you know what is the reason behind this? So, there are three main reasons behind the versatile nature of carbon. Number one, catenation property. Catenation property means that carbon atoms can easily link with other similar carbon atoms and can form long chains. So huge number of carbon compounds could be formed. This property is said to be catenation property, and carbon has the maximum catenation property among all the other elements found in the nature. So this is the first and the most important reason that carbon forms huge number of compounds in nature. The second reason due to which large number of carbon compounds are found in nature, that is, carbon has valency 4, and this is said to be the tetravalency. Tetra means 4, so carbon has valency 4. Why it is so? Because carbon has atomic number 6. First shell of the carbon occupies 2 electrons and the second shell of the carbon occupies the remaining 4 electrons. Now carbon needs 4 more electrons to complete its shell and to achieve stability and to achieve octet. But the only option left for the carbon to achieve the octet is sharing of electrons. What is the reason? Because carbon can't lose its 4 electrons, and similarly carbon can't gain 4 more electrons from other elements because of the energy consideration. Therefore, the only option left for carbon is that it can form covalent bonding. Covalent bonding means sharing of electrons with other elements. So this is the second reason, tetravalency, due to which large number of carbon compounds are found in nature. The third reason is that small size of carbon atom. Because of the small size of carbon atom, the nucleus of the carbon can hold the shared pair of electrons more strongly, due to which strong covalent bonds are formed. And due to this, large number of carbon compounds are found in nature and they will be more stable. So what are the three main reasons behind the huge number of carbon compounds which are found in nature? Number one, catenation. Second, tetravalency. And the third, small size of carbon atom. Okay students, thank you.